Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Now as you all have already read from today's title, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some quick and easy DIY home decor that you can make at home. And I do hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
To make this first DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a brown gold wall decor, some artificial flowers, ribbon, color of your own choice, a hot glue gun, and scissors. First, I'm going to grab one of these gold wall decors and I'm going to start adding in the artificial flowers. You can honestly pick whichever color flowers you want. I went with a little baby yellow color, some purple colored flowers, and then I'm also going to mix it with some white. And this is how it's going to look like once it's complete. And once that's complete, I'm going to end up adding a ribbon at the bottom, and here is the finished look. And to hang it, make sure you also use a ribbon for the top as well. Now to make this next DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a white cardboard paper, some artificial flowers, colors of your own choice, a picture frame 11 by 14, and scissors. First, grab a white cardboard paper. Next, pick up the flowers that you want to place onto the cardboard paper. Cut the additional flowers and just place the one that you want, put it up in a frame, and this is how it looks like. Wow, it actually came out so beautiful. Look at it, you guys. Really beautiful. To make this next DIY project, pretty much what you're going to need is, of course, a mug and also some glass markers, colors of your own choice. Start off by grabbing a plain mug, and since this is a spring-inspired DIY project, I'm going to be writing something welcoming like "Oh Hello Spring" by using glass markers, and also feel free to showcase your creativity. I'm actually just gonna be drawing out some flowers, and here is the finished look. To make this next DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is, of course, a cardboard piece, popsicle sticks, make sure you have at least 100 of them, paint, colors of your own choice, I went with blue and yellow, and then of course don't forget a paintbrush, and finally a hot glue gun. First, cut out a piece of cardboard piece, make sure it's 11 by 16 centimeters, and then start by hot gluing the popsicle sticks onto the cardboard piece. And then next, do the same exact thing with the other two pieces as well. And this is how it looks like so far. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up adding another cardboard piece. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out a hole and cut that out just like this. And just hot glue it on there like this. And then this is how it looks like so far. And then I'm going to end up adding in some more popsicle sticks. And this is how it looks like. I tried taking out the hot glue, but for some reason it was really sticked onto it, so I let it dry for a while, but I guess it did not work, so I'm just gonna paint over it. Sorry if it doesn't look the best, but I think it was the hot glue that just didn't want to come off. It's not that noticeable, but if you look close, I think you can kind of see the hot glue bumps. But overall, I'm going to go with the color blue. And I'm just going to continue painting the birdhouse. And here is the finished look. The birdhouse actually came out really nice, and honestly, I think I am really happy with the way it looks.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. For all my video updates, you guys can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below. And also you guys can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is also _Amanpreetmatharu. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe.
And today's video shout out goes to Clara. Shout out to you.
If you want a video shout out, all you have to do is give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and you'll be entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Till then, take care guys, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!